very excited to be at the TechCrunch conference. This is a long way from home, from Lebanon, and this is happening because of Touch and the MIT Enterprise Forum.
We're here in the first day of TechCrunch. It's quite exciting. There's a lot of investors passing by, so we're getting to know them. We're talking to them as we. So it's quite interesting, quite exciting, and there's a lot of opportunity ahead. We'd like to thank MITF for the opportunity, as well as Tamkeen for sponsoring us in the Bahrain Pavilion.
We're in TechCrunch in San Francisco. It's a great opportunity for us, and it wouldn't have been possible without Touch and MIT. So thank you very much.